Hello, welcome to the channel, and as you can see today, the SORA model belonging to OpenAI has finally been launched, and as you can see on your screens, the quality is supposedly impressive. But why do I say supposedly? And it is that these videos have been pre-generated, obviously. Like any product, they show us the best results. And if we let ourselves be guided by these videos, we will have to say that it is one or the best video generator there is today. But the most curious and interesting thing of all is that OpenAI has created an entire and completely unique platform for SORA. And it is this platform called SORA.com. Yes, quite simple. Here we also have a few examples, but surely you are wondering what I do to be able to use it. You simply create an account, or if you already had an account in OpenAI, and if you have the Plus plan, you can now use it. If on the other hand you didn't have it, you will have to create one right now. Although as you see here, it tells us that the creation of accounts is not available at the moment. If many people are already flooding this platform to create an account and generate videos, and that is why it is saturated. But let's see what all this is about. Apparently, this model is the SORA Turbo, which is significantly faster than that model that we saw for the first time in February of this year. And from what they tell us here, we can generate videos of up to 1080 pixels of resolution and up to 20 seconds in length vertically or square, that in terms of dimensions, and we can even bring our videos or images and extend them, make remixes and many other things. And as you can see here, the interface will look like this. If you have ChatGPT Plus or Pro, the interface you will see will be this, which is quite similar to most video generators, but most importantly, for whom it is available and for whom it is not. Well, here we have the answer. As I told you, if you have a Plus account, you don't need more, because you can now generate videos with SORA up to a number of 50 and with a resolution of 480 to 720 pixels. Yes, 50 videos per month. That's with the Plus plan. Now with the Pro plan, they mentioned that we can use it up to 10 more times. That is 500 videos per month. That's what I understand. And with a higher resolution. Taking that into account, let's see what the plans are like. And if you look closely, the Plus plan cost us $20. I would personally say that it is quite convenient. In addition to having SORA, we have, for example, the AO Uno and AO Uno mini models. And as we read previously, up to 50 videos per month. As for the Pro plan, this one is $200, with which we have access to the full AO Pro model, which for me is the most interesting. But in addition to that, we have access to SORA, with which we can generate, as we saw previously, videos of up to 1080 pixels. But is it worth it or not? Well, let's look at some of the examples we have on Twitter. In this case, we have this prompt: a street in Harajuku, Japan in the 80s. And tell me what you think of this video. Yes, we can see some distortions, or what is called morphine in English. But what impresses me the most is the camera movement, which is quite good. Something that not many generators have. Obviously, it's not perfect at all. And here we have another quite interesting example in which we can see a live newscast. What do you think? The movement is quite fluid, although we see that it is not so good with the text. Now we have this video that shows us this little monkey's face up close. And if you look closely, the details are impressive, and as you can see, we have many more videos. And what I can rescue from all these examples, it is the camera movement, which in my humble opinion is what differentiates SORA from the other generators. And a clear example is this video that we are watching right now. If you look closely, we will have an almost natural camera movement. It's like a person picked up a camera and was filming. As you can see, quite interesting, and we have other videos like this one that are not impressive at all. As you can see, and I repeat, it's not perfect. However, from what we see, I think it is without a doubt one of the best generators. Too bad it's not open source. And as you can see here, we have other examples in which the camera movement we have with this generator stands out. However, many people already mentioned that they are a little disappointed with this model, but we can only conclude that if we test it personally, and that at this moment, and surely for a few days, will be a little difficult, since as I told you, SORA is quite saturated. But anyway, I just wanted to give you the news and show you some examples. So I'll leave you with some of the videos generated with this new model, the SORA Turbo. And as always, all the links will be in the video description. You know, take care of yourselves, and until next time.